Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make Little Caesars Crazy Puffs at home, but even better. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. We're going to begin by making our super easy pizza dough. To our bowl, we're going to add 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of instant yeast. We're going to mix it with our clean hand, and slowly we're going to pour 2.25 cups of warm water. Okay, so just make sure that all of the flour is nice and hydrated. Okay, so once we have added our flour, we're going to mix it for 3 minutes. Okay, and after 3 minutes, we're going to knead for 5 minutes, or just until the dough is nice and soft. Okay, and after 5 minutes, our dough should be nice and smooth, and it should no longer stick to our hands. So now we're just going to transfer it to a greased bowl. Grease the top of the dough, cover it, and we're going to place it in a warm spot and allow it to double in size, so for about 1 hour. Okay, and after 1 hour, our dough should have doubled in size. So now, before we get ready to shape it, we're going to make our garlic butter. So for that, we're going to be mixing 4 tablespoons of melted butter with 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. Okay, so just mix it together. Okay, we're going to be brushing our muffin trays. Okay, so as we have greased our muffin trays, we can now get ready to divide our dough. So we're just going to punch the air out. Okay, we're going to add a little flour to our countertop. Get the dough out. Okay, so now we're going to divide it into 12 even pieces. Okay, I like to aim for 6 to 7 grams. Okay, so just make sure that you roll into a small ball and place it in the muffin tray. Okay, once we have divided our dough, we're going to cover them with plastic wrap. Place them back in a warm spot and allow them to double in size one more time. This is going to take about 30 minutes. Alrighty, and after 30 minutes, our dough should have doubled in size. So now we can get ready for the fun part. But before we get started, we're going to preheat our oven to 450 degrees. And this is the perfect opportunity to get your little ones so they can help you for this part. Okay, so we're going to turn our balls into little bowls. I'm grabbing my little roller, dip it into some flour, punch it in the middle, and then start shaping the bowl. Okay, so once we have shaped our bowls, we're going to grab our garlic butter and rub it all over the dough. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my cheese, my pizza sauce, and of course you can add all of your favorite toppings. I'm going to keep it very simple with just pepperoni and cheese. I'm adding like 2 full pepperonis, and then top it with more cheese. Okay, you just want to top them with a little Italian seasoning. And just like that, we repeat the process with the rest of our dough. All right, so now I'm gonna have my son to help me in the kitchen. Like I mentioned, this is the perfect opportunity to have your little ones and help you with this on your next pizza night. They really enjoy it. And he has his pineapple and olives. Those are his favorite toppings. Just make sure that you add a good amount. And while he's doing that, I'm going to finish the rest of the dough.
First, I'm gonna add a little bit of sauce. And then my cheese, and then put my toppings I want.
Which are?
Pineapple and pepperonis.
And they say that pineapple don't go on pizza. What do you think about that?
I think it does. Then put cheese.
Okay.
That's good.
And just like that, repeat the process. Okay, once we have them ready, we're going to put them in the oven
For 12 to 15 minutes.
Alrighty, and after 12 minutes, our crazy puffs are done. I'm going to give them 10 minutes before removing them from the muffin tray. Alrighty guys, and after 10 minutes, we can now get ready for the
Best part.
yes, so we're ready. So cheers and enjoy. And let me cut it open. I'm gonna cut it open. Just look at that. Ah. How are they? A little hot? Seriously, it's super delicious. And the best part is that you get to create memories with your little ones. Ooh, look at that. Mm-hmm. They're just perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make some easy and delicious crazy puffs at home. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you repeat this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.